part 2 of 3. One of the givens in each of your lives is that the human world isn't set up to support you as Christ. It didn't support Jesus or Mother Mary as Christ either, so this isn't anything new. It was built and designed to support ego and its byproducts, namely competition within and between separateness. It was always the intention in the original design to move the ego towards love so that Christ can grow and take over, but that has been exceedingly difficult to do. The world's ways, therefore, are not our ways. So, here each of you is, in a place you are familiar with, because you may have been here for a very long time. Yet, the familiar doesn't seem like a perfectly fitting pair of jeans. It's ill-fitting, uncomfortable, and too expensive. But this is what we have asked each of you to do, which is to serve love in a strange land. You are either consciously or unconsciously serving love to those who may not know what it is. You understand this situation, though, because it wasn't that long ago that you were in their shoes as they walk through the mud that is the world, trying to make sense of it all. While the world cannot truly be your friend, Christ supports other Christs. Christ is also supported by the unseen. This is how we strengthen our miracle-making capacities. Tomorrow, we will use the art of thought to envision what life on earth will be like when the earth does support Christ, and Christ, in turn, does support the earth, Gaia. Until then, Rami.